Hi viewers, and welcome to my channel where you can always get weekly updates on the best tips and resources to improve and live a healthy life. In today's video, we will be taking a look at 7 simple things that can help your body detox effectively. Detox usually comprises following a strict diet or using specific products that claim to rid the body of toxins, hence improving health and facilitating weight loss. Fortunately, your body has the ability to eliminate toxins on its own, without the use of special diets or expensive supplements. You can assist your body's natural detoxification system in performing better. However guys, before we continue, it will be wonderful if our great viewers can hit the like subscribe button and hit the notification button to encourage us keep making such great healthy living tips that can benefit our health greatly. Now let's go on to the first, making sure you get adequate sleep. In the short and long term, stress, worry, high blood pressure, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and obesity have all been linked to poor sleep. You should sleep 7 to 9 hours each night on a regular basis to maintain your health. You must get adequate and good sleep each night to support your body's health and natural detoxification mechanism. Sleep allows your brain to rebuild and rejuvenate while also removing harmful waste byproducts produced throughout the day. One of these waste products is beta amyloid, a protein that has a role in the development of Alzheimer's disease. When you don't get enough sleep, your body doesn't have enough time to complete those activities, toxins build up and have a bad impact on your health. Make lifestyle changes, such as sticking to a sleep regimen and decreasing blue light before bed, if you're having difficulties remaining or falling asleep at night. Number 2. Limit your intake of sugar and processed foods. You may reduce your junk food intake by keeping them locked in on the shelf. If it's not in your kitchen, you can't be enticed. To cut down on intake, it's also a good idea to replace junk food with healthier options like fruits and vegetables. A high diet of sugary and highly processed meals has been linked to obesity and other chronic conditions such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Sugar and processed foods are thought to be the source of today's public health problems. These illnesses block your body's natural detoxification mechanism by harming important organs like your kidneys and liver. For example, excessive sugary beverage consumption can lead to fatty liver, a condition that inhibits liver function. By consuming less junk food, you can keep your body's detoxification system healthy. The third is eating meals with a high prebiotic content. Prebiotic-rich foods can aid in the maintenance of your immune and detoxification systems. Prebiotics can be found in foods including tomatoes, artichokes, bananas, asparagus, onions, garlic, and oats. Gut health is essential for keeping your detoxification system healthy. Your stomach and body are protected from hazardous substances, including chemicals, via a detoxification and excretion system in your intestinal cells. Antibiotic usage, poor dental hygiene, and a poor diet can all lead to an imbalance of beneficial and bad bacteria in your stomach. The basis of gut health is prebiotics, a type of fiber that feeds the healthy bacteria in your stomach known as probiotics. Thanks to prebiotics, your good bacteria may produce nutrients called short-chain fatty acids, which are beneficial to your health. Your immune and detoxification systems may be impaired as a result of this unfavorable change in bacteria, raising your risk of disease and inflammation. Number 4. Try to work out frequently. It is recommended that you do at least 130 to 250 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, such as brisk walking, or 70 to 130 minutes of vigorous intensity physical activity, such as jogging. Regular exercise, regardless of body weight, has been associated to a longer life and a lower risk of a range of disorders and diseases, including type 2 diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, and certain cancers. When it comes to the health benefits of exercise, there are a number of mechanisms at work, but one of the most important is reduced inflammation. While some inflammation is necessary for wound healing and infection recovery, too much damages your body's systems and leads to disease. Exercise can help your body's systems, especially your detoxification system, run smoothly and protect you from disease by reducing inflammation. Number 5. Consume alcohol in moderation. According to health experts, ladies should consume 1 drink per day and males should consume 2 drinks per day. Because of the potential heart benefits of light to moderate drinking, if you don't drink now, you shouldn't start. The liver is in charge of metabolizing more than 90% of the alcohol consumed. While observational studies have shown that moderate to low alcohol use is beneficial to heart health, excessive drinking can lead to a plethora of health problems. Liver enzymes convert alcohol to acetaldehyde, which is a known cancer-causing toxin. Acetaldehyde is recognized as a toxin by your liver, which converts it to a harmless molecule called acetate, which is subsequently expelled. Drinking too much alcohol can cause fat buildup, inflammation, and damage in your liver. When this happens, your liver is unable to perform basic activities, including filtering waste and other poisons from your body. As a result, restricting or eliminating alcohol from your diet is one of the most effective ways to keep your body's detoxification system running smoothly. The 6th is drinking a lot more water. Water transports waste materials, which are subsequently effectively eliminated through urination, breathing, or sweating. As a result, it's vital to stay hydrated throughout detoxification. On a daily basis, men should drink 125 ounces of water and women should drink 91 ounces. You may need more or less depending on your diet, where you live, and how active you are. Water is useful for much more than just soothing thirst. It cools your body, lubricates joints, aids digestion and nutrient absorption, and cleanses your body by removing waste. Your body's cells must be repaired on a regular basis in order to perform efficiently and break down nutrients for your body to consume as energy. However, these processes generate waste such as urea and carbon dioxide, which can harm your health if they accumulate in your blood. Well viewers, I hope you've been enjoying today's video content thus far. However, it would be wonderful if our amazing viewers could like, subscribe, and hit the notification button to encourage us to keep making more amazing life-transforming contents that suit your need. Now, we move to number 7. Antioxidant-rich meals should be consumed. Antioxidants include vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, selenium, lycopene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Berries, fruits, nuts, chocolate, vegetables, spices, and beverages like coffee and green tea are high in antioxidants. Free radicals cause cell damage, and antioxidants protect your cells from them. When the body produces too many free radicals, the situation is known as oxidative stress. By causing damage to your body's cells, these chemicals have been connected to a number of ailments, including dementia, heart disease, liver disease, asthma, and some types of cancer. Oxidative stress is caused by too many free radicals and other pollutants, which increases your risk of disease. Antioxidant-rich foods can assist your body in combating oxidative stress. Your body produces these compounds on its own for cellular functions such as digestion. Alcohol, tobacco smoking, a poor diet, and pollution exposure, on the other hand, can produce an excessive amount of free radicals. Concentrate on getting antioxidants through food rather than tablets, which might actually increase your risk of some diseases if taken in large amounts. Well guys, we should attempt to take out some time, at least 1 to 2 times a week, to detoxify our bodies. This is to keep our bodies functioning at optimum levels, as well as boost our immune system. Finally, if you want to improve your health to complement your weight loss program and you are looking for a quick head start to boost your journey, you can take a look at our other videos and watch more life-changing contents that will transform your body and lifestyle. Stay tuned and keep following our great contents as we go on to provide you with tons of information to suit your needs. Thank you for watching.